Another common FAQ that we receive quite frequently is how to install the shunt. Depending on the type of shunt that you receive from us, whether it's a BC300 or a PXShunt, both have similar installation requirements. The only thing connected to the battery side should be the batteries. There should be nothing connected to your negative points on your batteries apart from the battery connection for the shunt. All of your loads and all of your charging capabilities should be connected to the other side of the shunt, so everything has to go through the shunt. If anything's connected directly to the batteries on the negative side, that will bypass the shunt and it won't read what you're trying to. There are 3 other connections that are required to connect the PXShunt into your existing power management system. There's our fused battery connection, our temperature sensor. In this installation, it's stuck directly on the battery, and the PX gateway. The gateway is plugged from the RJ45 lead that comes attached to the shunt. And then from the gateway, it connects into your power management system's CAN network. And even with all of the additional units that we've fitted, it all tucks away nicely under the couch and you wouldn't even know it's there.